Yo, what is good? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing revolver only. No, I'm not stealing this. My friend, it's me. I'll put his channel right here. Angel Winky. He's a pretty cool guy. Make sure to go like and subscribe to him. He's about to hit 500 subscribers. He has way more than me. But let's get straight into the first revolver match. Let's do this. Alright, first match is revolver only, guys.
It literally only kind of matters about skill, not rank.
Round starting.
Doesn't matter about rank, it's skill.
Missing all my shots. Like always, don't even surprise me.
I was getting sprayed from behind because this guy likes to double.
Yeah. I'm not good with revolver. My revolver
Round starting.
level 35.
Why do you think revolver?
Because I'm full of the video. Okay,
What?
so we can just do that then. 45 on him. 110.
I hit nothing. 113.
Dead.
28 on him. Dead.
Nice teammate.
You're one tap.
I was.
Round starting.
Now we're spamming.
Yeah, I got hit. No, I'm hitting.
Alright,
105.
teammate. I hit him for 90. I hit him for 90. Nice
Let's
teammate.
go, teammate. Let's go.
Let's go. I am being hard carried by my own teammate. This is crazy.
Bro, I hit the pink eye 105 to the head of them.
Round starting.
I'm just beaming them with this. 110. 110 on pink. Pink's low. No.
Bro, this guy's targeting me. Oh, he targeted me.
Get pink, get pink. Pink's low.
Bro, I can't when I'm like one tap.
No.
Because they like to they like to target you.
Yeah.
They target you, then like, because you're only using the revolver.
Round starting.
They're targeting me. I have like
45.
75 on pink.
He's dead.
I hit nothing. I hit nothing on him. I only hit, I'm pretty sure I only hit 24.
Let's go.
Yeah, I hit like nothing on him because he likes to, only him, the other guy, he likes to spray his
Round starting.
Yeah.
SMG.
With revolver, if you hit headshots, you need to aim for the head. If you don't, revolver just isn't that good.
Yeah, headshot. Revolver.
Alright, he's low. He's low. He's one up. He has like 40 health. Dead. We got beamed.
Let's go.
Gilbert.
Wait. Let's go, we meet this.
We got this. We got this. We got this.
This thing, bro.
Round starting.
You have 1,000.
Oh my god, I just got beamed with grenades, bro. 110. 110 on brown and 45 on the other one. I hit him for 45. No, he's so low. If only I hit him for like another 45, he probably would have died.
You kind of get the blow. I can. You just gotta watch for the grenades. You just gotta.
Yeah, I got beamed with those grenades, bro.
Round starting.
Yeah, I'm staying over here for a sec. Alright. I don't know where they are. Oh, they're on the other side.
Yeah, fine.
Alright, I missed every single shot, teammate. Get down.
73, 100.
I'm dead?
I hit 170 on that. Get him, get him.
No, why does revolver have the longest reload time?
Why can you not use the other gun?
Because I'm doing a video and I can only use revolver.
Round starting.
Alright.
If you didn't have to use that, bro, the game would have been over.
I've just been beamed, teammate. I'm low. Alright, they shot me through a wall. Love it when that happens.
I hit 150 dead.
I was 50 HP.
Oh my.
Okay. I just got
Match
told I don't
started.
deserve Apex, even though I literally used revolver the entire round, a gun that I've never used before.
Wait, can
Round
you
starting.
change your other loadout for this now? Can you use all the weapons, or is that the...
No, I can only use revolver.
Round starting.
I killed one of them and I got doubled. I didn't hit pink for anything.
15.
Nice.
I hit him 115, then 108.
Revolver on this map actually isn't that bad. It's like
Yeah,
this map's
those are-
more.
I
This
always
map's not
click on
big.
Round starting.
Oh, bro, I got stuck on the ladder thing. I hit pink and. Nice job, teammate.
I was literally 36 HP. I'm the goat on this map.
Round starting.
I killed one of
This
them.
kid for so much and he still did it.
Not
Like, what are you doing?
I died. Okay.
Yeah. You gotta stick with me. Cause I'm just gonna get. I'm gonna get doubled every single round.
Round starting.
Wait, I'm just.
Get beamed?
I didn't do it ground or anything.
No. I hit him for like 130, bro. I don't even know how that's possible. With the revolver, bro.
You just gotta get them. I kind of have to get them.
Round starting.
Over here, other side. I hit 67 on
I'm
Brandon.
dead, bro. This guy's going AR shotgun.
Round
Alright.
starting.
I killed him. I hit him for 45. He's copying your loadout.
We're gonna lose again, bro.
We're gonna lose because I keep on getting doubled,
One
bro.
other weapon.
I can't do anything without getting doubled by them, bro. And they're
Round
saying I don't
starting.
deserve Apex, bro, even though they're doubling me every single round. He's low, teammate.
Of course, bro. Like, y'all are coming over and double teaming.
Like, bro, you guys are coming over and double teaming. You guys are doing the exact same thing to me, bro.
Alright,
Let's do
stand on
do
it.
the
Stand
same
on it,
thing.
bro.
Try to
Stand
hit
on it.
them.
Stand on it. Stand on it.
Ugh.
Round starting.
I hit him for one.
Dead!
No!
That's right, sit on it, boys. Sit on it.
It's-
Derpy.
Match starting.
Do this.
Round starting.
Tiny arena, I don't think.
You're not gonna hit that
Teammate,
shot
help
on
me,
me,
I'm
you're a
stuck.
bad boy.
Oh my god. No.
Okay,
AK spammer, bro, what?
Round starting.
one damage.
Stop double teaming me, that's not a nice thing to do. Teammate, come on here, what the hell are you doing?
What the hell? What was he using? What is it?
Let's go.
Was he using flintlock? That would explain.
Round
There's
starting.
music blaring in my ears from my parents right now. 135?
I got stuck.
74?
Yo, above.
Yes!
Yeah, what is wrong with you? Bro, how?
It's called revolver, buddy. Oh, I got so much coins. Yay.
Round starting.
Wash my belly.
I am Pippa. I didn't hit him for much. I hit him for 45. Ooh.
Yeah, I know. I hit him for 24 gang.
Damn.
You think so?
Round starting.
Hit them both. They're
You like, okay. Dang it, I missed one.
Yo, to your side, stop running!
This guy's making me run. This is like my daily cardio, bro. Teammate. He was one shot, by the way.
That's why I told you to stop running.
I
How
did.
you died.
Round starting.
And plus, he had sniper. If I stopped moving, he would have shot me and I would be dead in 3 seconds. 110. 110 dead.
This guy spraying me with a fuck G.
Sorry, teammate, I died.
Yeah, you fuck. I was literally at 1 HP, bro.
I'm thirsty.
It's good.
Oh,
No, you didn't.
I hit him for 45, teammate. I didn't hit that guy for anything. He's over there, right away.
Did you get the old one?
And my teammate's gonna die in 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'm so
Oh, I guess his death. Never mind.
Dude.
That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Angel Winky. He gave me the video idea. Go subscribe to him. Make sure he gets 500 up. Make sure he gets 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I bet that would help him out. He's my friend. So yep, thank you so much. And I gotta go because I'm really drinking water now. Bye bye.